Hey everyone, my name is Alex from the Markham Public Library, and today we're going to be doing a tutorial on how to create your own Christmas postcard, and we'll be using Canva. So if you're unfamiliar with Canva, it's actually a online platform for graphic design, and this app will actually allow you to create your own your cards, logos, um, posters. You can also take things from social media and create your own, let's say, for example, your own Instagram posts, and this will provide you all the graphics with it. And the best thing is you do not need a professional graphic designer to help you or hire one. Your work on here will look totally professional. And the bonus thing is it's actually really easy to do. And that's what I'm going to show you guys today. And yeah, since the holidays are coming up, thought it'd be a good idea that we try to make our own our postcards, and we also had a workshop on how to make your own holiday card. But today it'll just be the postcards. You just need to sign up. It's actually free, and if you want to add any extra features to whatever you're trying to make, you can also pay for whatever you want and whatever you need. So, okay, so let's just get to it. So I'm going to show you right here. If you type in Canva, Canva, go to .com, it will ask you to sign in, or it'll ask you to sign up. So if you're making your own account, you just need your email and you'll be able to see this interface. Okay. So after you've done that, you'll see this. And then starting from the top, there's a home page, which will lead you to here. There's templates that are already pre-designed for you, and they have it in different type of categories. And this is actually really helpful, and it actually speeds up the process if you want to just make a very fast card that looks really well done. So you can see there's templates for social media, personal, business, marketing, education, and trending. You have features right here, so if you want to pay for anything, or if you want to include anything, you have stuff like free photos if you want to take a look at, or maybe you want to take a look at anything related to t-shirts, all right, or flyers, or anything about QR codes. If you want to add it onto your design, you can. And yeah, there's so much to it. Now, if you go under the Learn category, there's a tutorial. If you want to learn more about graphic design basics, which is branding your business, you can look over here. And then there's a pricing feature as well, uh, if you want to see what else you can buy. So on my left side, it will tell you what's recommended for you. For all your designs that are created, you can check out all your designs. You can also check out anything that was shared with you, so you can collaborate with other people, which is awesome, and work on one design. Brand kit is basically if you have your own business, and let's say you open up a template to make a poster, you'll have basically your already made logo and your color palette into any of these templates. So it just saves up a lot of time if you have already thing preset instead of just like carrying everything over back and forth, right? So this will allow you to speed up the process. And create a team is basically similar to share with you, except you can put in your different groups of people you're working with, okay, for whatever reason. And then all your folders is basically all your subfolders for whatever you need. And then we have a trash bin, okay, and that's pretty self-explanatory. Now let's get into our postcard. And if you go under templates, go to personal, we'll just go to design that's already created, and then we'll just make some modifications. Okay, so we're making a holiday one, so let's actually choose any one of these. Let's do this one. Wish you a Merry Christmas for the money of the government and family. So let's go to use template. Okay, so as you can see in the top, you got file, resize, and you see a crown around it. Basically, that is if you want to upgrade the version you want. You got the title, okay, So let's just call this Markham Public Library Holiday card. Okay, and you can see you can share, you can download, print cards, and extra features you like. Okay. On your left side, it's pretty much showing you your templates that you can use. If you want to upload any images, your photos, these are stock images that you can use. Some of them are free and some you can pay for. You got your shape, so that's under elements. Text. Music is more for if you're doing anything related to social media. Let's say you want to post a song with it or a video, like that. Videos, pretty much stock videos that they have provided for you. You got your backgrounds, or if you want to add anything in your card. Uh, any folders that you want to go through, any like subfolders that you made in the past that you want to include, maybe some pictures. You got the more button. Okay, tells you what else you can do. Okay, so anyways, the first thing, let's say I wanted to change the title of it first. So I'm going to say a very happy dot dot dot. Say holiday. And let's change this to from the Markham Public Library. Okay, now let's see if I want to change the text of it. So what I'll do is I'll go here. This is really cool, so you can change your heading. So this would be your title. Okay, if you want to make a new heading, you can do that. You can do a subheading, or you can have like a little bit of information for the body of your text. All right. So if I wanted to change this, let's go change the font. Okay. So I got my fonts right here. See what I recently used. Let's go to Anton. Okay. And you can change the size as well. Okay. Let's make it interesting. Let's change the color of it. Maybe instead of white, maybe I want to make it red. Okay. And here you change to bold or italics. You can align it as well. So you want to put on the left side, you can. But maybe I won't put it back in the middle. And if you want to show some spacing, you can. You can add a little bit wider. Alright. Now, this is not going to be a pretty card. I just want to show you guys an example. Alright, this is a tutorial. Okay, you got effects. So maybe I want to change this, add some effects to it. Maybe I want to add a shadow to it. Spice it up. Make it a little more interesting. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Markham Public Library. Maybe I want to give this. Okay, no, that doesn't look right. Maybe I want to add some neon lights. Actually, you know what? Maybe I would add the neon lights. Yeah, that looks really cool. Okay. So now let's add some images to this. Let's go to photos. And maybe I can search them up. So Christmas is already here. I was actually going to search for Christmas. So it's really cool because they do have a variety of different images that you can use. So, okay, you know, let's just go straight into the background since they're showing me that. So maybe I'm clicking on the background. Let's change it like this. I delete it. It's gone. Now, if I had a background here, and it's you see the like a little bit of the reefs are actually still behind the background. What you can do is you can put behind the picture. So right click it, and just go to send backwards. Actually, no, send it back. Send it back will mean all the way back. Send backwards to go just go behind one layer. So let's send it all the way back. Cool. And then we can resize this. Okay. So now it's back. Okay, so I can't see my holiday. So in a situation like this, I'm going to change the color. Let's make this green. Okay, that does not stand out. Let's make dark green. Okay, I know my color scheme is not that great, but I just want to show you guys an example. Okay, and you see the image right here. So, snowflake, this one right there. So. Alright, so I just want to show you anything with a crown basically again means that it's for paid subscription if you really want it. But there are ones just like it. So here's the free ones. So you want to replace that. Put that in the middle. And you see there's a purple score button. Sorry, purple score. So that basically just tells me to try to align everything. It'll help me align it. It'll snap into place to tell me if it's right in the middle. Okay, so right here it'd be in the middle. This. Pretty cool. Maybe I can resize it. Okay, I can make it smaller by touching and dragging the corners. Okay. Now, if I want to duplicate it, I'm going to press Control C. Actually, no, Control D, I believe. There we go. See, okay, there we go. See, it's good because as it's snapped in place right here, now you have to go by feel to really understand what I'm talking about, but it tells you it's about approximately the same distance from the left one. So, yeah, there. It'll snap in place to tell you. Alright, so this is my card. Okay, let's say I'm really happy with this. I'm good with it. If I go to add another page, can, right? You know, I can leave it just blank right here. Anything. Okay, so if I go to photos and type in postcard, this would actually add more to the look of it. So maybe I want to go a little old school, but not too old school. Okay, so as you see, I went to Pro, and you see the watermark right here, showing you this is how it looked like. And if you want to remove it, I would have to pay for it. But let's see, yeah, okay. I think the first one works the best. Alright, here we go. So I'm going to resize it. Okay, so now that you have your postcard, what you can do is you can add some text, okay, on the left side here. So let's add some text right now. We're going to go for, I would add a little bit of body text. Let's do that. And you can move it over here. And say, Wishing you nothing but a happy holiday. Maybe we can make the font size a little bit bigger. Alright, and maybe you had a personal message you want to write. You can do that as well. Okay. And let's say you want to add like a stamp. Go to photos, type in stamp, and then let's say for fun we can put top secret, and we can resize this. Now what I did right there, if you don't want to show the entire image, you can press Control and in the corner, and it'll actually it won't reveal the entire picture, but if we do, okay. Let's see what else can we add here. Let's go to elements. Let's just type in Santa. Oops. We'll just put Santa's. Okay, and then change some colors. Give them some blue lines. Okay, and that's pretty much it for our postcard. So this is our first page, and this is our second. Okay, so this is our front, this is our back. Okay. Now, if you wanted to, let's say, share with somebody, you can. Alright, you can type in a name right here. You can go to copy, link, and then send it over to somebody if you want to play around with it, fix it up, whatever you want. The zoom button is actually right here. So if I want to see 50% of how it looks like, again, how it looks like together. I mean, whoops. This is a grid view. Okay, how I want to look at it. Or you can zoom in what we're doing. How this looks like. Okay, cool. Alright, so if you want to download it, you can. Or you want to print out the card, you can as well. If you want to print it out, we'll size it. If you want to download it, you can. Big C is PDF, which is suggested, and it'll give you the marks or the bleeds if you like. And then you just go to download. And that's pretty much it. You just print off a computer. And then it lets you know it has other features too, if you want to know. Try for 30 days. That's pretty much it. Anyways, I hope you guys learned something new, and I hope everyone has an awesome holiday.